Hey, hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. Thank you very much Hero Paints for sending this Hero water-based acrylic paints Warfront set C. We have the fluorescent set Ultra Bright. And then we also have the primers na 100 ml. Bago na yung packaging nila. Dati ganito yung kasi yung packaging. So paubos na yung paint ko, so nag-request ako. Thank you very much Hero Paints for sending this for sponsorship ng mga projects natin. Yan, yung mga future projects natin gagamitin natin. Lalo na to, super excited na ako dito. Gamma Glow, gagamitin natin to kay Scale God. Yan. Open natin yung Warfront Set C. Cargo Brown, Dark Prussian, Brick Red, Orange Brown, Winter Brown, Matte Rubber Black, Steel Blue, Yellow Ochre. Ito naman sa Ultra Bright Fluorescent Set. Have pink, green, magenta, blue, yellow, orange, red, and white. Yan. Punta lang kayo sa Shopee page nila, Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Hero.